Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the top 10 martial arts in the world. Number 10. Judo from Japan. Judo invented or founded by Jigoro Kano, who were often harassed during his childhood around 1860 until 1870. Kano added through technique to create judo. Judo by the meaning of the word means gentle way, which means use of opponent's force to combat against himself. Number 9. Aikido from Japan. Aikido was introduced at the beginning of 1900 with its followers learners to use the opponent's own power and energy to bring down their opponents. The pupils are taught to keep the attacker condition and are taught to stifle without injury. Use to weapons is also often found in Aikido, and his followers were taught to survive against the stick, sword, and even knives. Number 8. Krav Maga, Israel. Official martial art of the Israel President Guardian. Krav Maga is a martial art without rules and hard. This martial art was never trained for schools because it's really intended to destroy an attacker with a focus on the opponent's vital areas such as the groins and eyes, and even allows the use of the head as weapons and various objects as weapons. Number 7. Jujutsu from Japan. When the Japanese samurai have lost all the weapons, they will switch to the use of Jujutsu. Jujutsu evolved with a focus on throw, blocks, and roll away. This martial art is very effective if used on short distance body contact. Number 6. Nunrutsu from Japan. These mysterious martial arts are used by the murderer and the Japanese guerrilla fighters. Ninjutsu teaches a variety of ways to surprise your opponent and beat your opponent with the direction to kill the opponent. The way of the ninja practiced by shinobis in ancient Japan. Ninjutsu is considered one of the most unconventional martial art techniques around the world today. Number 5. Taekwondo from Korea. Taekwondo has the meaning the way of fist and foot. The martial arts thrive in this era after World War II when Japan ended the occupation of Korea. This martial art is renowned for its stunning kick and combines the physical ability and mental strength. The holder of black belt in this martial art have reached 3 million people around the world. Number 4. Kung Fu from Chinese. This Chinese martial art literally means the success achieved by the weight and length, and is the oldest martial art in the world. Traditionally, this martial art is taught by the monks of Shaolin, with primary emphasis on morality and philosophy, which keeps the value of humility, trust and patience, and respect the stress. Number 3. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu from Brazil. Although established in Brazil, the founder of this martial art, Mitsuyo Maeda, one of the Japanese fighters who won more than 2000 games and regarded as the most powerful human at his time. Maeda met with the Gracie family in Japan in 1914, and since then also Gracie family, regarded as the first family of this martial art. Number 2. Muay Thai from Thailand. Very similar to kickboxing, but the difference in punch below the belt, elbows and knees are all allowed. Muay Thai is unknown when exactly began, but the various elements of this martial art can be found in the martial art of Japan and India. Traditionally, martial art is highly structured with various rituals that show respect to opponents. Now this martial art more focused on using of the body as a weapon. Number 1. Karate from Japan. Derived from the word that means empty hand, karate was introduced as a martial art without a weapon. The father of modern karate wrote the book in 1908. Karate is a technique that changes hands and fit into spears, right and go. In the writing of Anko, karate can be used as how to avoid a fight if confronted by criminals. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.